Welcome to Kansas Prairie Deer Feeders. Tonight, something a little bit different. We are going to do an unboxing and a little project, so stay tuned. All right, just got a delivery from Amazon today, so let's open this up and see what we got. Barrier LED T5 integrated fixtures. So first out of the box are multiple cords and the mounting hardware. And here are the lights. They are 4-foot LEDs. And I got 6 of them in this package. And a 1-page Barrier T5 LED installation guide. Pretty simple. Plug them in. Plug and play. All right, we will plug one in and just see how bright it is. And then we're going to talk about what we're going to do with them. It's not too bad, and I'm going to put 2 on a stand. So I want to put a jumper in real quick. That is basically what we'll be doing. So I brought our Klein light meter. So I'm getting ready to paint these 6 feeders, and I've got really good lighting overhead. I've got about 160 foot candles on a flat surface here. But on a surface here, not so well. So to give you an example of that, let's just see what we've got here. All right, so waist high on the horizontal, got 148 foot candles. But on a vertical surface, I've only got 35 foot candles. So the plan with these 6 lights is to build 3 stands and have the lights running vertical so I can move them around and get some side light for when I'm painting. So just for test real quick, to see if I'm even on the right track, let's just bring it down. You know we had 35 on this earlier. Space them out a little bit, turn them on. Now let's see what kind of lighting we have there. So we now have 67 foot candles on that. I'll be able to see the paint going on much better. And we've almost doubled our light with some cheap Amazon lights. So we'll go and figure out how we're going to build 3 stands. And this will greatly help me when I'm painting. I can move them around and get me some side light. All right, we cut 3 pieces of 1¼ inch square tubing. And then we cut 6 pieces of 1¼ inch by 1/8. We're going to use these. We'll drill 2 holes in each one, screw on the mounts, and then we'll weld those, and then we'll build a base for these. So this is what we're doing right now. All right, we're going to mark centers on these now. We will now center punch all these. All right, so we're going to mount our upright to hold the lights onto this 1/2 inch thick plate, and then that's enough weight to keep it standing, and we'll easily be able to move it around. So the first thing we do is we want to mark center. This is not totally critical on how it's lined up, so we're basically just putting a crosshair on it that we'll line the square tubing up with. There's our crosshair. Now we'll set that on it. And our squares. All right. We are squared, so now we'll tack this and then weld it. other two, and then I'll be done. All right, we've got these pieces welded onto the square tubing, and I got a base welded on. So now we are screwing on the clamps. All right. We got the clamps mounted. Now we'll snap the lights in. All right, the lights are snapped in, so let's set this up, see what it looks like. All right, let's check this out. So now we have a portable vertical painting light. Just move it around wherever we need it. So as I'm painting, move it around, help with the light. And we're going to have 3 of these. So turned out pretty good. I think that'll work just fine. All right. We've now got all 3 set up, so we'll take another light reading and just see what we get. All right. We got 123 foot candles. So those 3 lights make a world of difference now on your vertical surfaces. Because you're painting, you should be able to see any defects in your corners. Inside corners are extremely hard, your joints. Be able to move the lights as we're painting. I'll have 6 of these lined up here in a couple days to paint, and I'll just move these lights so I can see. So I think these lights were $30, $35 on Amazon. Had some scrap square tubing and flat bar, whipped them out real quick. It's going to help out a lot painting on your vertical surfaces. Thanks for watching.